Hello everyone and welcome back. So this week I have two hats that I need to create because I'm collaborating with two other businesses on Instagram. Actually collaborating with three, but one is the D&D hat and then the other two are two different burned mushroom hats. So I need to make the two burned mushroom hats this week. I think that I absolutely love on Instagram being able to collaborate with other small businesses. It helps grow my business, it grows their business. It actually has kickstarted me in wanting to start less of the whole fast fashion, buying in clothes for myself, and more working with other businesses, as well as you can see behind me, it looks like I've got my washing out. I don't. It's because I wanted to start making my own clothes for myself and maybe even for Olivia if she wants that as well. But yeah, so I'll show you actually some of the stuff I got. So I tested a dress out already. I won't show you it at the moment. I might make a whole video out of it, but I did do a mock dress. I think that this would be really nice as a top and a skirt. Maybe like a crop top type thing with a high-waisted skirt. This is a bed sheet from the charity shop, but I thought it was really nice and summery and I liked it and it's in great condition. So that's my plan for that. I also picked up, there were these tea towels, it's upside down, that I thought were just really cute and they're green and cream, which I love. This is also secondhand. It's like some linen fabric, as well as these cute pink birds. So I don't have a full plan on what I'm making yet, except maybe a top and a skirt. I might make that into a video, I might not, I don't know. But first of all, I'm gonna stop chatting about me and let's get some hats burned. So I packaged up the other hat already. It is off to its new owner, but I did take lots of footage for Instagram. So if you want to check out any of that footage, I went outside with Olivia and we took some really pretty pictures and lots of footage for reels and things. So if you want to check any of that out, the link for the Instagram is down below. But very happy with these. I'm really excited for them to go to their new owners. The other thing I want to show you is this. You might have already seen this. This is the other hat that I'm collaborating with a small business. I am excited to be doing this one. I do post different hats on different platforms. So the LOTR hats and these D&D hats go on TikTok because that's the sort of crowd that I have on TikTok. What? TikTok? On TikTok. But all my mushrooms and flowers and more of the bird designs are on Instagram because I have two different lots of followers. So sometimes it's a little hard to keep up with it, but things just don't always work on the same platform, and that's fine. Talking about vinyl, I have a new ebook out if you guys are interested in being able to create your own vinyl decals for hats. I have a new ebook out. I'd love for you to go and check it out. Let me know what you think. And yeah, super chuffed. Okay, if you want to go check out the ebook, you should totally do that. If you want to go check out the Instagram, you should also go do that. But as always, guys, thank you very much for coming and hanging out. I appreciate every single one of you. If you'd like to subscribe, please do so. Please hit the thumbs up. And as always, leave me a comment. I love chatting. So, thanks guys. I'll see you next week.